I think the arts allow our students to dream for a brighter future for themselves, and also to really expose the inequities and the systemic racism that plagues our communities. artworxLA was founded in 1992 as a result of the realization that there was a lack of arts education programs specifically for Black and brown students. Every year we serve about 1,000 students all over the county of Los Angeles, providing quality arts education to some of the most underserved, under-resourced, but most promising students. We do this by providing weekly in-classroom workshops led by professional artists. Students learn new skills and create work inspired by thematic content connected to a museum or cultural center. Then students visit these cultural centers to view their work alongside landmark exhibitions, ensuring civic institutions reflect our youth's perspective. We amplify the voices of alternative school students and build community among schools dedicated to giving a second chance at reclaiming their education.
For the students that are looking for opportunities to build an art career, get out of the neighborhood, or just looking for something, what we'll do is that we'll take them on field trips, we'll connect them to professional artists, we'll give them chances to advance their art education and start developing small business skills, and then hopefully once they graduate high school, they'll feel a little bit better about those next steps.
So that's our hope, is that our students are able to really envision themselves developing a creative career and have a wonderful future in the world of the arts.